Hello friends, this is Hannah Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. Before moving ahead, please like and subscribe my video. It's crucial for my support. This is a little channel and I need your support. Today we are going to watch a vintage and Californian style house which might look like a little farmhouse or which gave you a cottage vibe coming from the exposed beams. When you step inside such space, there comes some words like organic and modern to your mind. And there are so many things that seems global, or we can say boho, because there we are using textile. So the setting has hoarding abilities of great textile. Californian style houses are vintage and they just dates back to the time when furniture was just solid and durable.
It's 99.
The decor is a lot different from the modern decor. It has a lot of texture like rugs and carpets, jute rugs or pillows, cushions, pendant lights, or collection of lots of small decor pieces on mantle. Amazing plants and colorful tapestries, rugs or runners are also part of this vintage Californian setting. This is a cozy setting which provide you a view to a home which is lots of things dating back to